So at BRL, we made the decision to change to Microvellum. I needed to train staff. To train staff in a single program versus multiple programs is much easier. Microvellum were fantastic. They sent out a person to come and train us, get a few-day course just to learn on the basics, and then we were able to put it straight into use, which has taught me how to actually teach the guys here as well. The advantage with Microvellum is they do have a fantastic technical support system that allows us to either send through a ticket for a request or even just make a phone call if we're having a small issue. So being able to start a new program was daunting at first, having production like where are my files and not quite sure what's going to happen. Being able to have that support and have that backup and have that freedom of having Microvellum there to say, look, this is how we do it. We can help you along with it. We can help implement you into it. Just was more of a safety net and more of a relief, and that helped us make the jump and make the change. We were able to introduce new products, new libraries, and everything built around Microvellum, which helped us consistently build the same product. It makes me feel excited, it makes me feel happy. It's a great program to be a part of, knowing that there are tools out there that we can use as ourselves and provided by Microvellum that help increase productivity and just overall workflow.